Thanks, Matt. The state of Illinois' budget situation has caused Western to rethink a union contract. I sat down with members involved with the situation to see how the change in the contract affects the state, faculty, and you. It's no shock that the state of Illinois is in a crunch when it comes to funding. People are seeing higher tuition, higher priced foods,
that's going to be $25.50,
and gas prices that are some of the highest in the country. And that lack of funding is now hitting state schools as well as Western Illinois University. Union workers in the University Professionals of Illinois Union, District 14100, expected a 4% increase in pay for the next year. But union officials have decided to rework that contract, fearing that with the pay increase might come some consequences.
What you would have seen would be additional cuts. There would have been limitations on hiring, which still may or may not occur. There could have been some positions that might have been eliminated through attrition or through other means, but you would have seen resources dwindling further, making it harder for faculty to bring equipment into the classroom to teach our students and to make sure that our students are indeed getting that first-rate education.
The presentation for the university's current budget as well as the 2015 fiscal year budget was postponed earlier this week on Monday, one day before it was supposed to be heard. What was happening behind closed doors was talks between the union and the university administration about eliminating the 4% increase.
This was a very difficult decision for us because it was the clincher in the last contract, because we actually have lost, the employees on this campus have actually lost money over the last several years by giving up that initial 3.5%.
Yes. WIU Budget Director Matt Bierman says the state has put the school in a tough spot and made a plea for lawmakers to step up and take action.
The state is the easiest place to point the finger at, and as it relates to state appropriations and the funding of higher education, and I'm sure John talked it is something the state needs to step up to do. So as students and faculty and staff members and community members, we do need to lobby Springfield for proper funding of higher education, because it isn't an afterthought. It actually contributes to the economic development of our state.
News 3 reached out to Noreen Hammond, representative of the 93rd District in Illinois, but have yet to receive a response from the lawmaker.
Western needs your support. Higher education needs your support. You need to fund higher education at a level that's sustainable into the future.
In an October 11th Board of Trustees meeting, the board approved a proposal budget that included an additional $5 million to support salary and cost increases, but no word yet on how the 4% will affect the next fiscal year.